And if you're eating enough nutrients, your body's going to tell you stop. Our children don't even think it's realistic to count calories.
It doesn't work. Why do it? When you eat the nutrient-dense food, not the caloric-dense foods, you don't have to worry about all that because now you can take away the bad calories and you get all the nutrients you need.
Yeah.
It's very simple. So here's the framework. Here's we want to break it down for you. It's really a simple 3-step, call it fat loss protocol for your belly welly, right? You're going to eat the nutrient-dense foods without counting calories.
Yeah, that's realistic. Eating nutrient-dense foods.
Yeah. Second thing you're going to do is drink at least 64 ounces of water, and you're going to completely avoid all the cooking oils and the added oils. So here's the strategy. I want you to break it down for us. Break it down where it just makes sense and just tell them what they got to do to make this all happen.
So step one, when you eat nutrient-dense foods, right, you're going to fill your plate with a lot of fruits, fresh fruits and vegetables, potatoes, whole grains, and maybe a little bit of fish. And if you're saying, oh my goodness, fresh vegetables and fresh fruits is too expensive, there's frozen fruits and frozen vegetables in your grocery store. You can go for those as well. And these foods will keep you full and satiated without having to count calories.
Well, too, you think it's expensive, then all you have to do is cut out the meats that you're currently buying, cut out the fast foods, the meals that you're currently buying. And you said potatoes. Potatoes, oh my God, it's a carb. It's going to make you gain weight. No, that is not going to make you gain weight. All the stuff you put on it, the butters, the sour cream, the cheeses, all that stuff will make you gain weight. Yeah. Potatoes themselves are so nutrient dense. Each potato maybe has, I don't know, 200-300 calories, but I don't care because when I eat that potato, I'm going to feel full. I get all the nutrients and I don't have to worry about overeating. And by the way, if that's the case, 200-300 calories, call it 200, and you're supposed to eat 2,000 calories, you got to eat 10 potatoes in a given day.
And people are concerned about their blood sugar. And like you said, if you're eating just a straight potato, and if you're saying, oh my goodness, it's too dry, and it's like, well, you're roasting it too long and you're drying it out, versus if maybe you should steam it.
Steam it, put some vegetables on it. You can put some salsa on it.
Yes.
So many different things you can put on it, and you don't have to worry about it.
Put it in your salad and put it with a nutty fat-based dressing, not an oil fat-based dressing, and that will give you some type of that moisture you want in that potato.
Those are all simple strategies to eat those whole foods that are nutrient dense to make the belly fat just melt away.
Step 2 is drinking 64 ounces of water daily. That's just 8 glasses of water. You could, when you start your day, when you wake up in the morning, you hydrate with a big glass of water. 12, 16 ounces glasses, you know, the glasses in your cupboard. Pick one of those and drink your water. Start drinking your water. And then you can carry a thermos with you throughout the day. And this helps your body flush out the toxins, and it helps to burn fat more easily.
It's very simple. I mean, you nailed it. When you first wake up in the morning, get some water in a cup, 16, 20 ounces. You drink it really quick. And then for myself, like I work out in the morning. So when I'm working out, I drink another 20 ounces. So I'm about 40 right there already. I take another, 32 ounce container to work. That's guzzled down, and then I come home because I didn't have enough water.
You drinking more.
I'm drinking more water.
Yeah. As soon as we wake up in the morning, we hydrate. Not go for coffee. I don't even go for tea. None of that. It's straight water.
Yeah.
And it's such a habit. If I don't hydrate as soon as I wake up, I feel so off.
And when you drink a lot of water, it makes you feel a little more full, so you don't want to eat as much to begin with.
Correct. That is so true.